Matplotlib is an amazing visualization library in Python for 2D plots. For example, if we consider a 2 point, say a is equal to 1 1 and b is equal to 2 2, then equation of this is the equation of line passing through these 2 points, say here 1 1 and 2 2. This is the, if we join these 2 points, this line you can draw by using this Matplotlib in library in Python. For example, here from Matplotlib import Python plot pyplot as plt and consider first point a is equal to, say first point is equal to 1 2 and b is equal to, say b is equal to, the second point is x is 1, y is x is 2 and y is 1 and y is 2. Okay, so and if we write this as plt dot plot ab, this plot function, this plot is the plot, it represents the plotted data. This plot function represent the plotted data or in 2D object, okay, in xy plane. So plot ab and plt dot show. So if you run this, no more matplot. Okay, now if you run here, you can check this is the line passing through these 2 points. Sorry. Okay, so this is the first point 1 1 and 2 2. You can make marker this 2 point also by using the command marker. You can use the markers. This module contains the function to handle markers, Suppose here if you write this as ab and you write here marker equal to, say o, sorry, not theta o, then if you run here, it is not defined plot plt. Okay, and now you can see here plot. Okay, you can see here 2 point 1 0 and 1 1 and 2 2. You can also write a star here also to marker this 2 point. Here you can see here we, instead of dot, we circle, we write here star. So this way we can represent a point. Now consider a 2D graph. Say here, now you can also change a color. To change a color, just by using the color, say here color function. This function is used to specify the color. Used to specify color. So if you write here color is equal to say g, then it prints a line in with color is what? Green. You can check here what is the color of this line passing through this 2 point is what? Green. Now next, you can also change the line style of this the line passing through this 2 point. For that you can use the command line style to change the line style. Or so here if you write it as say line style is equal to say dotted, okay, line style is what? Dotted, then unrecognized theta not which row not o. Okay, so here you can see the dotted line. Okay, you can also print a dash line, okay. You can also combine dash and color. Okay, for that just here if you write r minus minus, okay, then it sorry page down, sorry, here r minus minus, then you can use a color and line style in r minus, sorry, here if you remove this marker, okay, now if you run here you can check we use the color and line style by using this word this command. You can change the color, line color and line style and line color. If you write here g dot say g or k is for the black, okay, black, it represents a black line, okay, dash line. So if you write here say sorry illegal keyword. Okay, so now next you can also label x and y axis. So for that we can use the keyword xlabel and ylabel function to set the label for x and y axis. So xlabel and ylabel for to set the label for x and y axis, to set label for x and y axis. For example, here if we set here x label is equal to say AB, and we set here say x label equal to say here color is equal to what? R color is equal to R color is red, and if we write here xlabel is equal to say x, and y label is equal to y, then plt dot, we want to use plt dot xlabel and pt dot ylabel. Then you can see here the label for x axis is x and label for y axis is y. You can also write a title plt dot title as say my first plot. Okay, and if you run here, you can check the name for title for this plot is what, my first plot. Okay, and you can also write the legend is an legend command. So the for legends is used to the legend command is used to define an area describing elements of the graph So here if we write plt dot legend, okay, say as line, okay, then we can check here it represent what, line. Legend is what, line. Then next take one more example. Suppose here take the list x is equal to say roll number 1 2 3 4 5 and y is equal to their marks out of 20, say 10, then 13, 14, say 13, then 17, say 9, and 1 2 3, and take here 18. Okay, they are the marks obtained by 5 students out of 25. Then by using plt dot plot xy, and if you write here plt dot show, so this is the library used to plot in 2 dimension. So you can see here this is the 2D graph of the given list. You can also print these points by using command marker. If you write here marker is equal to say you can print the point. You can see here this is the first point 110, then this is the second point, third point, fourth point, and 5 point. Now next you can also change the color by using the color function. C color is equal to say red, color is equal to red. Okay, so you can check here color, we change the color of this line, it is equal to what, You can also change the line style. Say line style is equal to dashed dashed. You can check. You can see here the line style of this graph is equal to what? Dash. You can combine these two line style and a color by using here a dash by using here r minus minus or dash dash. So you can check here we change the color and line style of the graph. Next, so here now you can set the label for x-axis and y-axis. So plt dot xlabel is equal to say roll number and ylabel plt dot ylabel is equal to say marks out of 20 okay. So you can check. So we set the label for x and y axis. This is what roll number for x axis and marks out of 20 for y axis. Now next, this is the x label, y label. You can also set a title plt dot title as it is equal to what the title say graphical representation. So you can check. This is what the title. You can check here is the title for this graph. Next, you can also set legend. Say plt dot legend as say here you can represent a regression line, or what you can say here 2D line, or just say here 2D line. So this is what here you can see the legend 2D or okay. Now next, if the next now here legend is something here to write legend in square bracket. So now you can see the legend is what 2D line. Let's take one more. If we can draw the two or more line on same graph. Say here take one more x y z. Z is equal to say z represent z is equal to the another paper 1 and paper 2, and their out of marks is say 15, then 9, then say 16, or say 12, okay, then 5 and say 18 or say 20, okay. So these are the marks for Z line, and if you write here the same as Control C, Control V, X and Z, XZ, marker as say star, color say green, and line style say dotted, dotted, dotted. Then if you run here, you can see two graphs, two lines on a single xy plane. Okay, so here you can differentiate these two lines by using legend command. So to differentiate this, we can write this as here legend. First is paper 1, paper 1, and second is what, paper 2, paper 2. So now, sorry, paper 1 here, paper 1 and paper 2. So you can see here the red line represent marks of out of 20 of paper 1, and green line represent paper 2. Okay, so the next you can print a random data in Python also. For that we want to import a random. Okay, so here say from, okay, random dot from random no, numpy dot random import randn. We know that this function returns a simple standard normal distribution. Okay, or it generates the random numbers for standard normal distribution. So here if we write x is equal to randn print print random n number say 10, then you can see here it prints the 10 random numbers which are normally distributed. Okay, so these are the 10 numbers. Now you can plot this point on say x-axis, plot plt dot plot x, okay, and plt dot show sorry, x is equal to now you can see here these are the random number. Okay, printed random number. Next you can print their sum also. For that this function is used as cumsum, cumsum is this function is used to when we want to compute the cumulative sum of array element, is used when we want to print cumulative sum of array elements. Means what? Suppose here if you right here say x is equal to say 1 2 3 4, and if we write if you print here, print x dot cumsum, okay, then some, for that we want to write here import numpy as np, and np dot array and you can check here what is here. If you print x is equal to print x, so x is equal to 1 2 3 4, and there comes sum, that is it returns the cumulative sum is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 is what, 10. So you can print this cumsum if you generate the random number here. X is equal to np dot array, and if we generate here random 10 elements, and if you plot their sum, say plt dot plot x dot cumsum sum, okay, and plt dot show, you can see. So this is what the cumulative sum, it is increasing, decreasing. You can print also, you can print the x also. For that plt, if you write here plt dot x, here if you write color as says color equal to red, and here if you print x plt dot plot x, and color is equal to green. So now you can see here these are the green. What green represent? Green represent the random number generated. And this red line represent their cumulative sum. Okay, cumulative sum. You can print the cumsum and random number also. So here if you print x and print x dot their cumulative sum, so you can see here. So these are the random number generated, 10 random number, and this is their cumulative sum. Okay, so and their graphical representation is, here is the graphical representation. Okay, the green line represent their random number, and this red line represent their sum. Okay, cumulative sum. Thank you.